Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA Cardano. So I think the call was correct that I made, that I think we have a larger correction ongoing here. So this wave 4 support area that we did have on the chart as a sort of info, which obviously the possibility was still there that ADA would hold this area and put another high in from here. But I already mentioned to you when we came down and maxed out in the W wave here, our support area, that is probably not going to hold. Then I mentioned to you yesterday it's probably an X wave up, which would suggest a Y wave is still coming, which should go below the wave W, and I think we are currently doing this. It's not confirmed yet, but I think the idea was correct that we're in a wave 2 correction. So at the moment I'm still focusing on lower with a price to get into this support area. The support area again is defined by fib levels 29.3 cents and 26.2, with a 61.8% retracement sort of in between at 28 cents. Yeah, so we've got 29.3, 28 and 26.2 cents, all as likely support areas and fib levels here where we need to watch what are they going, how is the price going to react to them. Minimum expectation here would be the absolute minimum. I mean, there is no need for the wave 2 to get into this area, even though I think it's likely. It's just the most common retracement, the 50%, 61.8, but it doesn't need to get there, okay? But the minimum expectation for this Y wave would be to go below the low of the wave W, which was here on the, when was it, 10th of Jan at 30.6 cents. So we would need to break that in this count, and my expectations to the downside will remain true and active, and I will focus on further downside as long as we stay within that corrective price channel. So as long as the upper boundary here is still pointing down, I'm gonna focus on that. And how could we label the wave W now, the wave Y? So I think we've already seen probably here an A wave, the B wave, and we're now coming down in C. What would be a target? Obviously it's the entire green area here, but can we specify it further? Well, we could take the length of the wave W up to the wave X high, and then we have a target 28.4 cents, which is close to the 61.8% retracement, and even here 25.8, which would probably be my worst case. I'm gonna mark that on the chart, but again, that's just another way of calculating targets. It should really end in this green support area, and we already just saw that 28.4 cent level, which is quite likely, I think, as a target. Another way is if we take the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B wave, that wouldn't even take us down that far. It would only reach to 29.6 cents. So that might be the first level just for watching, and just watch that level 29.6. If we have a strong bullish reaction to it, it might already be the low, but primarily I would expect it to get into this area. Possibly 28.4, that was another target, so I'm going to add that as well. Yeah, and that's sort of my update about ADA at the moment. I think further downside here, head and shoulders as well. It's not broken support yet. It's broken, however, fib support. It hasn't broken that wick from Tuesday. However, if you take a look at this, we broke out of the fib support area, retested from below at the moment, and if that retest is successful, it will most likely send us down. Additional confirmation that we are heading down is again the break of that 30.6 cent level here, that low. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.